Presido Muhammadu Buhari attend Eid al-Kabir prayers for Daura, Katsina State. The Muslim faithfuls for Nigeria don't join their counterparts all over the world to celebrate Eid al-Kabir, wey dem still dey call Feast of Sacrifice. Presido, wey dey among those who observe the 2 record congregational prayer of thanksgiving for Kofa al-Wa Eid Gwan Daura, Katsina State. It come call for more support, understanding and cooperation of all so that them go fit achieve better Nigeria for posterity.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
The Imam talk say Allah na indeed the greatest when he dey lead the record prayer of thanksgiving for the plenty blessings to humanity. He come also tell the Ummah make them remain prayerful, thankful and submissive to their creator no matter the wahala. And he come talk say make them keep alive the virtues of sacrifice, obedience, justice, tolerance, love for one another and care for those wey dey in need of am alive. He come tell the faithfuls make them support Buhari administration to make Nigeria grow. They come also offer special prayers for Nigeria and its leaders. The Emir of Daura, Umar Farouk Umar, come assure the Presido of continuous prayers and support of the people as he dey do better things for the country. Before Presido comot, he come perform the symbolic ram slaughtering, wey dey in line with the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad. This one na the first time since the Yamayama disease wahala start. Presido do the celebration for the ancient town of Daura, in ancestral home. It come be reunion one kind as members of the community line up for street to appreciate and proudly associate themselves with Nigeria leader wey dem dey happy with. When he dey follow with Tori people talk, Presido Buhari say he dey mindful of the desire of Nigeria for sustainable peace and security, say he no go stop until them address the genuine concerns. He come also ask for their support.
Every Nigerian need is peace now, so that they can go back to their farms, they can go around peacefully. So those that are distracting the attention of governments at all levels, local, state and federal, they live among them, they know them, let them expose them so that we can have peace in the country.
The celebration still continue. This one na the Ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top with Tori for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Daura, Katsina State.